In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to ClickUp. This is a great way to streamline your tasks and events, making sure everything is synchronized and easily accessible across your tools. First, let's open ClickUp. Once you're in, navigate to the specific space you want to connect with your Google Calendar. Think of a space as a designated area where you gather tasks, projects, and pertinent information related to specific teams or projects. Connecting your specific space to a calendar can be quite handy as it ensures all relevant tasks align with your scheduling. Now, on the left side of the interface, you'll see your profile icon. Clicking this icon is your gateway to personalizing and setting up various integrations within ClickUp. An easy way to identify is by looking out for your profile picture or initials, a small but essential step as it brings up a menu tailored to you. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a range of options that allow for detailed customization of your ClickUp experience. From here, the next target is the Calendar option. If you don't immediately spot it, look for tabs or side menus that might house various settings categories. Once in the Calendar settings, look for the Google Calendar option. This setting is tailored to facilitate the direct integration you're aiming for today. Click on Google Calendar, revealing more actions you can take. Here you'll find the Connect button. Clicking this is crucial as it sets into motion the integration process. By connecting both platforms, you're essentially allowing them to communicate, syncing events and tasks so that updates in one reflect in the other, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. After you click Connect, you will be redirected to a new window. This different window is where you'll log into your Google account. Follow the prompts provided. They're designed to guide you safely through the setup. Ensuring you're logged into the correct Google account is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Allow the necessary permissions that ClickUp requests. These permissions typically include accessing your calendar for seamless syncing. Rest assured, these steps are in place to maintain the functionality and integrity of your task management. Once everything is in place, the window will prompt you back to ClickUp, where you can refresh and verify that your Google Calendar is successfully linked. By now, your calendar events and tasks should be visible in ClickUp, creating a streamlined and efficient scheduling process. And there you have it. Connecting your Google Calendar to ClickUp is a superb way to enhance your productivity. You're now set to have a more integrated view of your tasks and events, all aligned in one handy spot. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.